This is all you need. How to make your manhood bigger, longer, and stronger. But before I continue, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching me from. Thank you for stopping by. But before I continue once again, I want to say to all my subscribers, may God bless you for supporting this channel to grow, for supporting me to grow, and to be a member of this channel. For those that endeavor to subscribe to support this channel, God will support you in all your life endeavors, and God will help you in any ways of your life. Thank you for subscribing. And for those that did not subscribe to, God will bless you too. So let's proceed. How are you going to make your manhood bigger, stronger, and longer? It is just simple, but make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will never miss any step. But if I may ask, which length do you want? Is it 6? Is it 8? Is it 10? 12? Whichever size, that is what I am going to teach you today. But don't skip this video. How are you going to make your manhood bigger, longer, and stronger? That is what I am going to teach you now. All you need is just pawpaw, unripe pawpaw. Make sure that is unripe. That is the best ingredients or best fruit to make your manhood bigger, longer, and stronger. How are you going to use this? You are going to use it by wash it thoroughly to remove dirt or dates. Wash it thoroughly because you are going to use the whole of this. You are not going to peel anything, both the outer shell or the outer layer. You are going to use it, and the inner contents, both the seed. Make sure that you wash it thoroughly. Then cut it into pieces or you slice it. After slicing it, put it in a blender, both the fruits and all parts of this pawpaw. After you might have put it in a blender, then blend it and put it maybe in a bowl or in a cup where you can take it. After that, take the blender, take the juice every night for good 6 days or 7 days. Okay, let's say 7 good days. Take it for 7 days every night. You must surely come back here and give me a powerful testimony. I hope you get what I said. Take it daily, every night, for good 7 days. You must surely come back here and give me testimony. I hope you like this video and you get value from this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload another good video like this. Make sure that you put your comments on this video. Put it in the comment section. I am good to reply any comments. Like this video. Share this video to your friends and family for those that need remedies of life, or for those that want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men. Share this video to them, and don't forget to subscribe once again. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.